Hi everyone, welcome back to Dynamic Sport Adventures Wilderness Survival Series. Tonight we're going to continue our series on some of the friction fires. We've done a bunch of the other friction fires, bow and drill, hand drill, fire plow, whatnot. Tonight we're going to work on the beautiful spring night. Peepers are out, hopefully you can hear them. And what we're going to work on is a pump drill. Pump drills work on a premise of a force coming down and an unwind and wind of a cordage. I'm using paracord tonight. All the wood I have here except for the counterbalance, which is a centrifugal force heavier board. It helps me when you start pumping on the spindle. That counterweight forces that weight outwards and keeps that spindle going and gives you your friction down on your fireboard. So when you have a pump drill, this moves up and down, and then when it unwinds, the counterweight spins enough to where it rewinds it and brings the board back up, pumps back down, counterweight the other way, goes back up, and you keep pumping down, up and down on it, letting loose so it rewinds on itself, and then pump down again. The fireboard is made out of cottonwood, and I have a little bit of tinder nest here. Any tinder nest will work, obviously, cattails, red cedar dust, red cedar bark, white birch bark. Here's a couple pieces of white birch bark I have here. So let's see if we can get a fire going. Now, unlike a bow and drill or hand drill where I can put my foot right on this, because of this is spinning, if I put my foot here, my leg here, this spinning of this counterweight and centrifugal board probably will hit my leg, so I'm going to have another board that comes out where I can put my knee on it or a foot on it, and that way I can still keep the fireboard secure so my ember doesn't get ruined, and then I'm going to keep pumping up and down on it. So I'm going to wind my fireboard and my spindle, I should say, up with my pump part of my drill. Hopefully you can see that in the catching all that in the video. And then I'm just going to push down on this board here, which is going to make the spindle turn because the wind of the string is unwinding it. As this counterweight, which is a hardwood, which has got a little bit more weight to it, spins, and a centrifugal force helps it spin, that will actually make the string rewind up in the other direction, bringing my pump part of my board up. Again, pushing down on it, keep spinning back and forth. So let's see if we can get an ember going for you. Get it wound up, push down, let it rewind, push down, let it rewind, let it push down, let it rewind. Let it go for a little bit. You don't have to really get going crazy until you start seeing some smoke. After I see a little smoke, I'll sit up a little bit better so I can get over top of it a little bit more. Again, the fireboard is cottonwood, the spindle is cottonwood, the pump part of the drill is cottonwood, but the counterweight is a little bit heavier hardwood, which gives you the centrifugal force. Alright, to start seeing some smoke, so I'm going to sit up a little bit. I'm going to get my body weight up over top of that a little bit more so I can get that spin a little bit better. I lost my rhythm, so I'm going to rewind. Again, crucial to have that rhythm. There we go. Now, get it going good. See the smoke coming off of it. Pump that down. As soon as you feel it rewind up, push back down. As soon as you rewind, push back down. I see a good coal going. The wind is blowing good tonight. Again, just like any other spindle, any friction fire, give that ember a little tap. Hopefully you can see that coal going. Never need to rush a good coal or good ember. Put that right in there. Little pump drill, friction fire. Again, string caught on top, little notch at the top of that, so the string goes across. It winds as this brings that board up, pumps down, spinning that, rewinds, pumps down, spinning that. End of your spindle goes into your fireboard just like any other bow and drill or any hand drill spindle. And then you have fire. Thanks for watching Dynamic Sport Adventures Wilderness Survival Series. Happy hiking. Get outdoors.